Compassion literally means to suffer with. It is more than a feeling moved by another's suffering or an empathetic understanding. The true compassion, which reflects the image of God, flows from God's prior compassion toward us. That is why it must be universal, not limited by worthiness or reciprocity. Christian compassion means actually helping others, not just feeling sorry for them. Its greatest form is when someone sacrifices their own comfort or well-being to help another person.